Hey Nene Squad, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting video. What? Y'all probably saw my last video, and if you haven't, you need to go watch it. Like, sis, what are you doing? But anyways, you guys probably saw my last video of me talking about how I don't like wash and goes because of my shrinkage, right? I just don't like the shrinkage that much. I don't know, I just don't like it. I never really liked my shrinkage. That's why I didn't do wash and goes. But I'm actually gonna figure out a way how to finesse your wash and go. Okay? But your sis, she found a go-to, and you know, I have to share with my natural sisters like what's going on. But I'm just loving the length. You know, it's showing that I got some length. I still got shrinkage, okay? But you know, it could do look like. Yo, wait. So I definitely had to show you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys the process. So first, I started off with sectioning my hair into 3 sections just so it could be easier for me to detangle in the shower, and also distribute the products in my hair and making sure my hair strands is getting all the product. After I make sure my hair is all like wet and soaked, and before I just put any shampoos, any conditioner, anything in my hair. This is not a wash day routine. I'm sorry, you guys. I have a lot of them up, but if you want a dedicated video to that, just comment that down below. But I do have some other videos. I'll put it in the cards up above and also down in the description box, so make sure you check out my description box. I'm going to use the Canon Shea Butter Apple Cider Vinegar Root Rinse. It has tea tree oil in it, and like, you guys, my scalp feels so clean and nourishing, and just, oh my goodness, just and then it gives me this beautiful tingle. Like, yes, this is my, like, this is a holy grail of mine for natural hair. Like, I just love it. Like, it's a must have. Like, sis, if you don't have it, what are you doing? But then I'm also using this scalp scrubber, whatever I can say, scalp scrub. But basically, I just rub it in my scalp, and it's just good for, oh my goodness, it's so good. It feels so good. Like, I never thought a Dollar Tree product would be so bomb. And then I detangle it with my hair, you guys. This is like a detangler and a scalp scrub, but I think it's a scalp scrub, but I use it for more than that. You know, you gotta get in where you fit in, okay? And do the rest of my hair. I didn't record that because I just felt like it's not a wash day routine, so you know, I just showed you guys that part. I keep my hair in those 3 sections because I'm going to go in with my Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. It's for dry, damaged, or color treated hair, and I definitely had dry hair. My hair is somewhat damaged, especially in the front, but I just like to use damaged products anyway. I love this mask. Like, oh my goodness, I love it. My hair feels so soft, so soft after putting it in. I love this stuff. But basically, it's like a pudding texture. It's like really thick, and it smells like coconut oil, and I love coconut oil, so the smell is beautiful to me. But I just make sure I put it all through my hair and rake it through my hair strands, and y'all, my hair was feeling bomb. Then after I'm done doing that, I use my Kiridu hair steamer, and you guys, that Kiridu hair steamer is so bomb. It helps the mask penetrate through my hair strands because, as you guys know, well, some of you guys know, I have low porosity hair, so I have to do certain things, and I like to use that with my wash days. Whether I'm doing a wash and go or not, I still use it because I just feel like my hair gets the benefits from the products. And then I did have a lot of hair shedding on my head. Usually I don't have a lot of hair shedding, and that kind of surprised me, but then it didn't, because I had to think about it. I'm like, I haven't combed out my hair in a week. That's a week of shedded hair, so I'm not tripping on that. After I am done washing my hair, I am going to start styling my hair. So as you guys see, my hair is dry. I'm going to start off on the back of my head, so I'm going to put the rest of my hair in a ponytail, and then after I'm going to get my spray bottle just to wet the hair that I'm going to start working on.
Then I'm going to use the biotin oil from Oxygen or Oxy something, I don't know. But I'm just going to rub the oil in my scalp, and I'm going to go in with my curling enchanting smoothie, and I'm going to rub that in my hands, rub it in my hair strands. After that, I'm going to go in with the extreme gel, and then I'm just going to rake it all in my hair. And then after, I'm just going to take a little piece of my hair, twirl it around my finger, let it go. Take another piece, twirl it around my finger, and let it go. Now I'm spraying water in my hair, and that's just because I put a lot of products in my hair and I want to balance the water in the products. Then after, I'm just going to wrap my hair in a ponytail with a ponytail holder, and I'm just stretching my hair, so I'm making sure my hair is like touching the back of my neck, just so my hair can stretch so I won't have shrinkage. So usually I wouldn't just take this out on the same day, but since I had some place to go and I didn't want to look crazy, I took this out. So after I take that ponytail out my head, I am just going to get a blow dryer and basically just pulling my hair just a little bit, not being too rough, but basically blow drying my hair just so I won't have shrinkage. And I'm basically going to do that all over my head. Also, I'm going to take a towel. You guys might see a clip of that, and I'm basically just going to soak up all the products in water out of my hair so it can dry faster. It's time to lay my hair, and you guys already know I use my Eco Styling gel all the time, and I'm just going to put a little bit of Eco Styling gel in the front of my hair, brush it down, and then put a hair tie on. You guys know how I am with laying the front of my hair. Gotta be laid, gotta be slayed. Now I'm going back in with the biotin oil because you guys, it's winter time and I don't want my hair to be breaking off or anything, so I want to make sure it stays oiled up. Okay, then after, I'm going to lay my hair, my baby hairs I should say, not my hair, my baby hairs with edge booster, of course. Definitely want to show you guys how I wrap my hair for nighttime. So I basically section off my hair in 3 sections. So I section this side, and I make sure I'm very gentle. I don't want to disturb the curls and cause frizziness. Okay, you guys, so it's the next day. I'm going to take off my bonnet, of course, and then I'm just going to start taking down my hair. When I take down my hair, I'm taking it down from the back first and then working my way up. But while I'm taking down my hair, I'm fluffing my hair, getting my pick, picking my hair out just to make it look big. I love big hair. It just looks so bomb to me, and I just have to have big hair. So you guys see me spraying my hair. I'm not spraying a lot, so don't spray a lot if you do this. I just needed some moisture. But anyway, I'm going back in with my Eco Styling gel. You guys already know what I'm about to do. Lay the front of my hair, and yes. Okay, you guys see me with a blow dryer. All I'm doing is doing the same method when I had wet hair, but I'm just making sure all the kinks that is in my scalp, I'm making sure, you know, I pull my hair a little bit, make sure I straighten that out, or like stretch it out I should say, just so it can give me length. After, I'm just going to fluff my hair with the pick, make sure my hair is looking nice, and then there you go. Thank me later.
So you guys have reached the end of my video. Please make sure you tag me on Instagram if you try my method. I really hope you guys got something out of this video. And please comment down below to tell me what kind of hair masks do you use and what curly products do you use in your hair. I would love to know. And also, just in case if you guys are like, dang, her makeup is bomb, I love those lashes. Yes, this is my lashes from Monet Boutique. I will leave my website link down below. Make sure you buy affordable lashes, like they're affordable, and the quality is bomb. I wouldn't sell nothing to y'all if the quality ain't bomb yet. Also, I've been forgetting subscriber shout out for the longest, and I'm so sorry, but I'm getting back to it. Like I said, I would love to, you know, show love to my subbies. So I definitely want to give a shout out to Carolyn G. She says, congrats on your grand opening. I'm going to go over and check out your lashes. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, so if you would like to be one of my subscriber shout outs, all you have to do is comment down below. Make sure your notification bells are on, and I will shout you out. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to smash on that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, sis, what are you doing? You came to the end of this video, and share with your friends. I know they want to have a bomb wash and go like mine, okay, like us, okay. So yeah, see you guys till next time. Mwah.